Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will show you how you can add your name to the lock screen on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, also put likes, and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So, let's get started. And where will this username even appear? It's going to be on the lock screen, right here at the bottom. We're going to customize it now. So, first, you'll need to swipe your iPhone screen from the right side from top to bottom to go to Widgets. And next, you're going to choose a mode. I have the focus at the moment. If I tap, as you can see, various other modes appear. But in order to add your own, you need to create a new mode. To do that, at the bottom, you select New Focus. And then you select the very first custom. And now you'll need to name it. Whatever you want your new focus to be. Next, you can choose the color you would like to apply. You can also choose any icon that you would like to apply, so that it's not a smiley face, but something else. For example, there is a very large number of them here. And now you can safely press further. Click again. And now you can see here that you can, for example, show for all people or not for all people. And that's basically it. You've customized your name. But in order to add it, you need to once again swipe from the right side from the top to the bottom of your iPhone screen. Click on Focus. And now you'll need to add the new focus that you just created. As you can see, I've turned on my Now New mode. And if I turn my phone off and on, as you can see at the bottom now, there's a caption as well as a sign that I've added. So that's the simple way, friends, you can add your name or some other inscription to the lock screen of your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.